I'm going to show you something. You see this goat? Look at it very well. Let's get look. You see this goat? Is the mother of all this goat. I'm going to show you now. Watch and see. See the ram? You see it? I hope you see it. I zoom it for you to see. Right? Is the mother. The father don't enter belly. See that one? You see it? Hey, look here. Look. Let you see it. Good. Let me show you the other one. You see it? Looking at you. You see it? You see it? Yeah. You see it? Good. Make sure you deworm them, you know. Give them warm medicine now and then so that they are good to multiply quick. You see this? You see it? The goat always deliver three all the time. But last time he delivered two. You see it? Look at it. You see it? Good. Look this one. I will show you the one he delivered last. You see this black one? That is the one he delivered last. You see it? That is the one he delivered last. This black one. Then this gray one now. This gray one, that is the baby there. You see it? The gray one is also that brown goat I show you. You see it? So in this world, what am I trying to tell you? Train animal. When you train them, they become useful for you. They give you money. You get something to eat and all that. So try to work hard. Okay? Even dogs, even cow, sheep, cat, chicken, fowl, try to train them. Okay? Good. You get why. I rest my case. Bye bye. Love you all.